In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock skins in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Outfits are going to be unlocked by a variety of things, so you can unlock them by acquiring blueprints, you can acquire them by purchasing them, you can acquire them with certain conditions, and so on. For a video of this nature, I won't be able to cover every single outfit in the game because there are a lot, but I'm going to give you general instructions, what to do after you unlock them, and so on. So once you have your outfits unlocked, you will be able to equip them when you go over to the tailor shop. So in the prisoner's quarters, you can find the tailor's shop, and after going inside of the wardrobe here, you will be able to change between them. You will see which ones you have unlocked and you can use right away, or which ones are locked, displayed with this symbol here. You can read the description and the title of a specific outfit that you have. Now, like I said before, because there are a lot of outfits in this game, you can already tell by the size of this scroll bar here and how many icons you have. You will need to check the specific unlock instructions for any outfit that you would want. So in the wiki, they will tell you how to get most of them. So a lot of these are going to be drops. So for example, drops from jerk shrooms, drops from yeeters, and so on. Other ones you will just find lying around, or maybe you have to purchase them. Some will be hidden inside of rooms. And once you have the outfit unlocked, you can equip them by going over to your wardrobe, selecting it here, and choosing the confirm option. You can have a lot of outfits and you can only equip one at once. They won't have any difference in gameplay, so no special effects, but a specific one will be needed to unlock a room later on, so keep that in mind. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you unlock skins, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed, so if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.